Okay students, welcome to our class. How are you all? So, I wish you all, greetings to you all. Good morning. Good morning students. Very happy new year. May this year will bring you utmost happiness. I have started the class. Srinivas. KV Srinivas. Akshaya, yes. Who is that by name KV Srinivas? Yeah, at least this year should bring you towards the schools for the next year now, 9th class students, no? So, yeah, being 9th class students, at least you should complete your 10th class in your school premises. But one more thing is there, you know, everyone say your name and branch. So we are discussing about diversity in living organisms. Okay. Yes, good morning everyone. So we are discussing about diversity of living organisms. So activity 5, page number 53, activity 5. Yes, page number 53 students. So activity 4, observation of different characters in monocot and dicot plants. Collect the plants or pictures of the whole plant to complete the following table. You can take the help of annexure to this chapter as well. Okay, so here we go. Name of the plant, maize. What is the leaf venation for the maize? Let us write here for maize. What is the leaf venation? Parallel venation, isn't it, for maize? Maize means in Telugu, what is that? Godumalu, no? So for that, what is the leaf venation? Parallel. And how many number of cotyledons? So cotyledons, how many? 1. So they have mentioned the leaves, no? Leaves. Once, if a plant has come, these 2 leaves will come. Now at starting 2 leaves will come. If you take what is that, methi leaves, you will observe at the down part 2 thick leaves will come. Are you able to see here this figure? 2 leaves will come at first on the down side. So that are nothing but seed leaves. But here, if number of cotyledons are 1 row, only 1 will come. Only one seed leaves you will see. Number of cotyledons are nothing but number of seed leaves. So in maize, how many? 1. And taproot system or fibrous root system? Here obviously fibrous root system. Fibrous root system. Are you able to see perfectly? Yes, here we go. Yes. Next one, if you take next one, so same paddy also, same students, paddy. Parallel, 1 fibrous root. Next, if you take grass, parallel, 1 fibrous root. observe? And the green gram is nothing but what we call pesarapappu. Okay, green gram, pesarapappu, or sometimes some families they used to say pedda pappu, chinna pappu, like that. Okay, in local language they used to say, isn't it? Small pappu, big pappu. Kandi pappu that is nothing but red gram. So usually it will be in big in size, and green gram it will be small in size. Which dal you used to prepare today, mom? If she answered kandi pappu or pesar pappu, you won't understand. You will say that, mama, what is that pedda pappu or chinna pappu, isn't it? Yes, that is nothing but pesar pappu, that is green gram. How many cotyledons you will see? 2. And when it is reticulate taproot system. And the next one is groundnut. So the plants that are having only one cords are known as monocots. If you observe this, all know they are having parallel venation and fibrous root. So similarities, what are the main similarities here? Parallel venation, fibrous root, and if you observe these, no, reticulate venation, taproot system, isn't it, students? So here parallel venation, fibrous. Okay, one monocots. So we can understand that how beautifully the evolution or grouping of organisms have been designed by the biologists or zoologists or botanists, like that. Scientists have grouped the living organisms, especially we are discussing here about plants, no? So based on similar characters, they have grouped the living organisms, that is plants, based on the similar characteristics. Based on the similar characteristics. So they have based, unless if you say maize, paddy, grass, like that, no? They have just said monocots. What is that? Monocots. Group into monocots. And if you observe the second group, that is dicots. Plants are divided into 2 types based on seeds. Based on number of seed cotyledons. Okay, so monocots and the dicots. If anyone asks you dicots means, you will say that you will give some examples, no? Like groundnut, Bengal gram, horse gram, like that. So same characteristics. If you study the dicot characteristics, no, it will be applicable to all the dicot examples coming under the division. So it has made you very easy. Okay. Isn't it? So if I ask you birds, no? If I ask you birds, you will say that the bird is having a long beak. The bird is having 2 wings. Cotyledons are nothing but 2 seed cotyledons. If you break the seeds, will give 2, no? Equal halves. Those are nothing but seed cotyledons. Okay, if you break Bengal gram or red gram or green gram, it will give 2 parts, no? So those are nothing but 2 cotyledons. But if you break rice, it will give 2. No, it will be smashed into powder only at that time. It won't give 2 cotyledons, 2 equal halves. Okay, and the next thing is what? If I say you that bird means, you will explain like this, no? A bird have a long beak. A bird have 2 wings covered with feathers, long tail, feathered tail, and 2 eyes, and to the beak only nostrils are present, no ears, isn't it? No ears. You will say, if I ask you, what are the characteristics of bird? Seed leaves, many definitions are there. Seed leaves, seeds, seed cotyledons, like that. Many are there. If you keep a seed inside the soil, it comes out breaking into two. If that two seed leaves have come, then we can say dicots. If only one have come, we can say it is monocot. That is practical examination of monocots or dicots. Okay, practical examination, that is. Okay, where we are discussing about birds, isn't it? And if I ask you, say about cow. Okay, crow. If I ask you, say about crow, means what you will say? Oh, I said about bird, no? Why to say about again crow? Like that. You will say same characteristics for all the birds. If you ask about the characteristics of crow or parrot, means physical appearance. Okay, parrot, crow, cuckoo, pigeon. For all you will say same. What is the beak of all the? It is not having mouth. It is having beak. So the beak only. For the upside of the beak, two nostrils are present. No ears are present. Two wings are present made up of feathers. A tail is present, and the birds fly in the sky. Isn't it? So, in order to make the study of living organisms very easiest way, very low way, they have grouped into one group based on the similar characteristics, avoiding very low differences. The difference between crow and parrot, if I ask you what are the difference between crow and parrot, what do you say? Anyone? If I ask you what is the difference between crow and parrot, what do you say? Anyone please? Differences, if I ask you differences about crow and parrot, what differences you will say? Difference in color? Yes, difference in color. And next thing, it will make a difference or parrot will make a difference. Is it considerable? It is considerable. No, color. All birds are present. The color of all the birds are different only. But is it considerable? No. Yes. But beak is present, no? General things. Actually, we can say the most desirable characteristics, most appeared characteristics, most similar characteristics, based on this all they have grouped the living organisms into one group, making into say to study at one time, to study about all at one time or less time. Okay, so next one, diversity in animals, activity 5. Okay, so page number 53, activity 5, observation of external characteristics of insects. Observation of external characters of insects. Okay, so collect housefly. Here they are saying about collect housefly. So everyone open the page number 53, students. Okay, open. Yes, page number 53. Activity 5, observation insects. So if I say insects, so what they are asking? Collect housefly, mosquito, ant, dung beetle, butterfly, moth and cockroach from surroundings. Observe them carefully. Take the help of a magnifying glass to get a closer view. Are all insects of the same size or shape? First question. Housefly, mosquito, ant, dung beetle, butterfly, moth, cockroach. Are all insects of the same size or shape? No. Answer is no. Next. What differences do you observe with regard to legs? Legs. How many legs does it have? How many legs it have? How many legs does a mosquito have? How many legs does an insect have? Ant have? 3 legs. My God, if anyone is having 3 legs, 6 legs. Yes. And what differences do you observe with regard to wings? Wings. How many pair of wings are present? 3 pairs of wings for housefly. Sure? One? Sure? So the thing you have to do is, you have to work out this. Page number 54. Page number 54. You write the 6. You have to fill up this table. Okay students? Will you do or not? This one, this page number. This table you have to fill up. Having 2 wings. 2 wings or 2 pairs of wings? 2 wings and 2 pairs are different. Okay, you have to fill up this. Okay, and the next activity 6. Activity 6. Okay, so here is there any relationship between the number of wings and legs? Page number 54. Page number 54. Page number 54, they are asking, is there any relationship between the number of wings and legs? Yes, there is relationship. If you write number of legs 6, number of wings 2 pairs, color shape 2 pairs of wings are present for all this housefly, mosquito, butterfly. If you observe butterfly, now 2 pairs are present. One is small in nature. Isn't it? If you observe housefly, mosquito and what? Butterfly, you will observe that 2 pairs of wings are present. One pair, the first pair will be very small and the last pair will be very big in nature. When compared with the first housefly, cockroach and dung beetle. Dung beetle, it will be so smelly. It will come during night times. Black in color that will be. Dung beetle, what we call in Telugu, I don't know. It will be very black in color, very black, round structure. This much will be. Cockroach. Cockroach also, if you observe clearly, no, 2 pairs of wings are present. 6 legs, 2 pairs. So these 2 characters are same. mentioned in the textbook. Okay? One pair for what? If you observe housefly, two pairs only. First pair will be small, second pair will be big. For mosquito also two pairs. You catch a mosquito now if you are having. Bug. Bug it is bug. Bug means what? Nalli, no? Bug. So what are the examples given in the textbook? You just observe that only. What is the need of another one? Bug. No need. Mosquito, ant. Ant also. Yes. What about ant? Ant, does it have any wings? Have you seen ant with wings? Anyone? It will be like fat. What will be like fat? I am asking you, ant, does it have wings? Big ant? Yes, ma'am. I saw. Who is that? Who saw how many pairs? Ahmed Riyan, you have not seen. Yes, anyone? Have you seen? Have you seen wings to ant? Ant has 6 legs without any wings. Yes, that was correct. 6 legs are present. Wings are not present. Yes, but they have grouped into insects. No, why? You have to find some similarities. No, like plants, you see. Like if you see ant in big size have wings, ma'am. Yes, big in size have wings. Yes. When it will be having wings? Some ants fly. Yes, exactly. Some ants will fly. And that, yes, where do they fly? Ants will fly where? Who is that? Because they don't have wings. Yes, at older age. What is that at older age? Please convey your information very good manner. If you say half, how should it give meaning and concept? What is that? Yes. Yes, means does it have wings or not? Ant or aunt? Very funny, Smoothie. Making fun today. You are making fun today, Smoothie. They can fly at an older age. Samad, no. How many of you say they have wings or not? They are telling half. Yes, Rian, you are correct. They are saying half. But they are not saying is it present or not. They are saying some older age, some lower age. And let us start a story. Ants are grouped into insects because they consist of the quality of insects except wings. Wow. Very good. Let us start a story about ants. How many of you know about types of ants? Red ants. Have you seen red ants? They release formic acid. That is why if they bite us, we feel pain in nature. Acids they cause yes, red and black. But if black, they won't bite us, no? They won't bite us. But if they move on our body, we feel somewhat like this, isn't it? So red, black, they are small in size. What about big ants? The thing is, students, And if you go on search in Google, no, there are many types of species of ants are present. Okay. What is that? Black ants are present. No, they will be somewhat big in size. That this much big. If they bite with their tongue, what do we call that one? Chew, no. If we remove also, it won't come. Very sharp blade are present. Isn't it? Anyone have seen black ants? Very much big. No, big ants. They will bite. Big ants. They will be having sharp edges. They will stuck our body. It won't come also. They are coming night time and focus on lights. Yes. If we remove also, the head will be stuck there and the remaining body part will come. But unless that head part won't come, that much tightly, hardly they will pluck our hands, bite our hands or any body part. The thing is, actually these ants by birth, they will be having 2 pairs of wings. As they are growing, they lost their wings. Okay, understood? Ants. And if you observe some ants, no, during rainy season, some ants will fly towards light. And because as they are very delicate, no, ants' wings, that wings will fall off and the ants will move on the ground. Anyone have yes, Gandu Chimal only. Yes, anyone have observed that one? During rainy season, some ants will be having with wings. They will scatter around the bulb. And as the time passes, within some minutes only, as their wings are very weak in nature, they get fall off. And the ants will move on the ground. So actually the thing is, ants will be having wings in the younger age. As they grow up, they switch off. Yes, they are attached to the light. Yes, very good. Okay, this is about what is that? Ants. Very good question, no? Ants also will have what is that? 2 pairs of wings, but as they grow up, they lost their wings. So that is why insects are nothing but they have grouped into insects by seeking the 2 similarities that are nothing but 2 pairs of wings, 3 pair of legs, nothing but 6 legs, 2 pairs of wings. Okay, students. So next we will continue our class. So variation in animals. External can do this activity in a group of at least 10 children. Draw the table in your notebook and fill it. Name of the student, height, weight, length of the forefinger, thumb impression, palm, length, width. So you can take 5 your friends also and fill this table. And here page number 54. Page number 54. Did you find any 2 insects with the same characters? If yes, display in the class. If no, note down. Differences in your notebook. Even though all these are insects and you see that they show several differences, can you find at least one character that is similar to the whole group? What is it? Similar to the whole group, what is the similar characters? 6 legs, 2 pairs of wings. How would you group insects? Would it be based on number of body segments or number of legs they have? So for insects, they will group body into 3 characteristics. One is head, thorax or thoracic cavity, and another one is tail. This is body segmentation, and these are known as antennae. the body, two thin hair-like structures are present. No, those are known as antennae. Okay, this one. If you observe insects, they will be having these characteristics. And one more interesting topic of ants, shall I say? In the 8th class, we have studied pheromones, no? Pheromones. They are having some hormones to detect, what is that? To detect sweets at the other places also. So this antenna is present, no? You will see ants are moving in a group one by one. Yes. Right, left, right, like that they will move like march, no, on the barks of trees. Yes, one by one they are moving. And if we struck the place, they will be going to other way. Okay, some will come back. No, some will come back. Okay, so what is happening? This antenna are present, no? This antenna, with the help of that antenna, they will touch the other body surface of ant and they will recognize whether this ant will belong to our colony or different colony. Understood? Understood, students? Ant versus snake, who will win? Who will be very powerful? They will win. If ant is very powerful, it will win. Powerful not only by physical appearance but also by the mind. Okay, so this antenna are present. Now with the help of this antenna, it will detect the opposite ant, whether it belongs to our colony or other colony. Can you say that by having that antenna by touching the body surface of another ant only, it will detect whether that ant belongs to our colony or the other colony. A group of ants will live in a colony, no? So by touching only it will detect that touching is possible because of antennae. Okay students, we have finished this session and here they are asking, if you have taken two ants, two houseflies, can you see same difference, same similarities between two ants, two houseflies? No. Okay, so can you see some minute differences they are asking? Okay students, our session is completed. Meet you in the next class. Hope you have understood the topic very well and I have added very good information about ants. Okay? Okay students, see you in the next session.